How to enable or disable auto-deletion of memory dumps on low disk space in Windows 10. When it comes to blue screen of death or BSoD memory dumps, IT professionals must decide whether to delete them. Here's how to enable or disable the auto-deletion of memory dumps when disk space is low in Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What are BSoD memory dumps? Every time the dreaded blue screen of death appears, Windows creates a memory dump file. This dump contains diagnostic information about the cause of the blue screen so that your system will know what to do the next time it occurs. The problem is that these memory dumps take up disk space, which can accumulate over time if the issues keep repeating. Deleting them may seem like the logical answer, but their data may be too important to discard. What's more, Windows sometimes automatically deletes them when disk space is low. Thus, whether you want to delete these files manually or let Windows do the cleaning for you, knowing how to configure memory dump auto-deletion is crucial. Here's how to do it using the Registry Editor. How to configure memory dump auto-deletion using Registry Editor. Before we teach you the steps, however, do note that any unintended changes might compromise your system's performance or stability. So, make sure to back up your registry settings before you start. To start, open the Registry Editor and navigate to this path: H-key, Local, Machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, Crash Control. Then, find the Always Keep Memory Dump value. If you don't see it, create it by right-clicking the right pane, clicking New, DWORD 32-bit value, and naming the key Always Keep Memory Dump. Set the value to 1 to disable automatic deletion or 0 to enable it. Press OK and restart your system to apply the changes. In addition, you can modify your storage sense settings to save other system logs, expand storage space, or manage temporary files more frequently. By configuring auto-deletion, you can preserve essential diagnostic data while also saving and managing disk space more efficiently. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable auto-deletion of memory dumps in Windows 10, linked in the description below.